So guys, I'm again back with new job opportunities. This time Lennox Software is hiring for 3 different roles. Before discussing about the job role and eligibility criteria, if you are new to our channel then please subscribe and press the bell icon. And also you can join our Telegram channel called Latest Off-Campus Types for you. There you will be getting updates regarding latest off-campus types and the other job references. So I'll be putting the Telegram channel link in the description of this video so that you will be able to join our Telegram channel more easily and get updates regarding latest off-campus drives. So you need to let me tell you one thing. Below opportunities are for the non-career candidates as well. So also the non-IT candidates can apply for these roles. So this is a very good thing that all are eligible irrespective of their backgrounds. So now let's discuss about the job roles. So the first job role is software engineer. Field of working will be software development, and the job role they are hiring for software engineer, and the required experience is 0 to 2 years. That means freshers can also apply for this role. Then salary according to the company norms or the best in the industry, you can say, you'll be getting the salary. Then job location, they are hiring for high tech city Hyderabad. Previously they were hiring for Rajasthan location. Now they are hiring for high tech city Hyderabad. And qualification required any degree, that means BE, BTech, MCA, BCA, all are eligible. Then batch, they have not mentioned any batch or year of pass out criteria in their official website. That means all are eligible irrespective of their batch and branch. That means any, all the non-IT as well as the IT candidates can apply for this role. And also 2021 and 2022 candidates can apply for this role as well, so no problem. Then requirements, so the candidate must possess the bachelor degree at least, and you must have strong in at least one of these below programming languages like C, C++, Java or C hash, etc. So I hope or I guess all the candidates have idea about C or the basic C. So most of the candidates must have undergone any training of Java. So you can apply for this role if you are interested. And other basic requirements they have, like the student or the candidate must have ability to focus on the objective and analysis of the requirements and develop the software according to the requirements. So you must have good oral and written communication skills as well. So if you are interested for this role, you can apply. Then the second job role they are hiring for is the technical sales agent, and the field of working will be IT software or the software services. And the job role technical sales agent, and experience required is 0.5, that means 6 months to 3 years. And salary you will be getting 20 to 40,000 per month according to your skills and experience and the your job performance. Then job location, same as the previous one, other things are same as the previous one, only the required experience is 0.5, that means 6 to 3 years, and the salary will be getting 20k to 40k per month. And other eligibility criteria is same as of the previous one. Then requirements, understand the basic or the primary needs of a customer regarding the technical issue. So you must know about the technical issue or the requirements of your customer and convert these things into the solution and sell your tools or the softwares to the customers. So these are the basic things. You will be working as a technical sales agent, not the other agent like selling medicines or any other products. No, you will must have knowledge on the technical things as well or the technical fields as well. So desired profile, undergraduate, and the dropout candidates can also apply for this role, and graduates, here you can see any stream as we discussed earlier. So you must have knowledge on the Microsoft Office, Excel, and the internet is must. So all these the basic things you must have. So I hope everyone have these are the basic requirements. So I hope all have the basic requirements or fulfilling all these basic requirements. So at least you can apply for this technical sales agent. You will be getting 20k per month if you have 6 months of experience or below 6 months of experience. So if you are willing to apply, then you can apply for this role. And the third one is the QA engineer or the quality assurance engineer. So the field of working will be IT software or the IT development role. Then the job role they are hiring for QA engineer, required experience is 0 to 3 years, and the rest or the remaining things are same as of the previous one. That means salary as per the company standard, high tech city they are hiring for, and the qualification required BE, BTech, BCA or MCA, MTech, etc. Batch and branch, that means all are eligible, any batch, any branch. Then requirements, so you must have excellent communication and the interpersonal skills involved in coding, testing and debugging. All these are the basic things. So you must have strong knowledge on SDLC principle or the life cycle. So this is the one of the most important principle or the life cycle in the software development tool or software development industry. So you must have, yeah, so working the knowledge of the technical platforms of the project, strong testing program with high quality. So you'll be working as a automation test engineer, that means automation testing, no manual testing there will be there. So they have not required any testing skills here, only they have required for debugging capacity. You must have some debugging capacity. You can practice online the debugging things online before applying for this role or before attending this interview. So let me take you to the official website where you can apply for these roles if you are interested. So the first one is that this is the official website. Here you can see the Lennox software. This is the official website. Current job openings. So they are hiring for the software engineer, first one. These are the things. High tech city, here you can see. If you are interested to for this role, then you need to click here to apply button. Then technical sales agent, 6 months to 3 years. Then the last one is the QA engineer or the quality assurance engineer. So you can see all these things. So they have not asked for any software skills in the QA engineer. So if you are interested, then you can apply as a fresher. So you'll be getting a very good salary package. So I have seen the review of Lennox software in the Glassdoor. So you can apply for these roles, and also the location is very good. That means Hyderabad. So I'll be providing this link in the description of this video so that you will be able to apply for this role. So if you want to apply, then you need to fill this form. So you need to enter your full name, then enter your email address, you need to enter your contact number, then qualification, then enter your current city. You need to select from the drop down below, then enter your permanent city, then you need to enter your experience in years and in the months, then enter your year of pass out. You need to type, enter your skills, then tell something about yourself, or you need to tell that why should you hire you. These are the basic technical or the HR questions. So you need to think properly and apply, or you can say and type. Then upload your resume. This is the cover letter, you can say. You can put your cover letter as well if you previously or already have typed or saved your cover letter, then you can put here. Then you need to click on the submit. So I'll be providing this link as well in the description of this video. Please check the description of this video and apply for these roles. If you are facing any difficulties while applying for these roles, you can ask or comment below, and we'll be definitely trying to help you. So thank you and all the best for your interview process.